You don't need to be happy all the time. You've been told your whole life, just be positive, to smile, to stay grateful, to look on the bright side, no matter what. But forcing happiness isn't healing. It's denial dressed as strength. Because the goal is not constant happiness. It's emotional honesty. And that is what most people are missing. We've built a culture that worships positivity and quietly shames anything that does not look like joy. You say you're tired, and someone says, be grateful. You say you're lost, and someone says, well, at least you have it better than others. And slowly, you learn to hide what hurts. You learn to smile through exhaustion, to fake peace, to suppress reality. But here's what happens. What you suppress, your body stores. And eventually, it shows up as burnout, anxiety, or emotional numbness. You're not meant to be happy all the time. You're meant to be real. And real is messy. Real means sometimes sad, sometimes empty, sometimes uncertainty. Because those emotions aren't mistakes. They're messages. Sadness says, slow down. Anger says, something's not right. Loneliness says, you've disconnected from yourself. These feelings are your mind trying to help you recalibrate. So when you silence them in the name of positivity, you're cutting the wires between yourself and your own truth. Modern psychology calls this toxic positivity. The pressure to appear fine even when you're falling apart. And over time, it creates emotional dissonance. The gap between what you feel and what you show. That gap is exhausting. It's what makes you smile when your chest tightens. It's what keeps you up at night, replaying every conversation where you said, I'm fine, but you weren't. What science says is your brain needs full emotional range to stay balanced. When you suppress sadness, you also dull your capacity for joy. When you refuse to feel anger, you lose your ability to set boundaries. When you avoid grief, you block yourself from genuine gratitude. Every emotion has a purpose, and balance isn't avoiding the bad ones. It's allowing all of them to move through you without control. Think about the weather. Some days are storms. Some days are calm. You don't necessarily hate the rain. You may not like it, but you understand it's part of the cycle. Emotions work the same way. If you try to hold permanent sunshine, you'll burn the soil your peace grows from. So the next time you feel low, don't rush to fix it. Don't drown it in productivity or fake motivation. Just listen. Ask yourself, what is this feeling trying to tell me? What need have I ignored? That's emotional intelligence. Not pretending, but noticing. True resilience isn't about staying happy. It's about staying honest. It's about being able to sit with your emotions without letting them define you. You can feel lost without being broken. You can feel anger without being cruel. You can feel sad without being hopeless. Emotional maturity is not about control. It's about compassion for yourself, even in the storm. Here's what happens when you stop chasing happiness. Peace becomes possible because peace does not demand that you feel good. It just asks you to stop running from what you feel. You start to notice beauty again. You start to connect again. Because when you stop rejecting half your emotions, you become whole again. Every strong person you admire, every calm, centered human didn't get there by avoiding pain. They got there by walking through it. They learned that happiness is not the goal. Integration is. Integration means letting your emotions coexist without judgment. It's saying, I can feel sad and still be okay. I can be unsure and still move forward. I can cry and still be strong. That's not weakness. That's wholeness. So stop chasing happy. Chase truth, because truth always leads to peace. And peace lasts longer than happiness ever will. You're not broken for feeling deeply. You're not failing because you're not joyful every day. You're human. And humans are meant to feel everything. So let it move through you. Let it teach you. Because when you stop forcing light, you realize darkness was never the enemy. It was the imbalance you needed all along.